Guys, Ben James here with the video a little bit about, well, it's all about an online affiliate marketing mentor. Now, if you're searching around on YouTube and online, you've come to a really good video because I want to introduce you today to an online mentor, a seven-figure online mentor that has taught me so much invaluable knowledge and everything about sales and marketing, how to turn leads into customers, how to generate leads online. So if that's what you want to hear about today, and then I encourage you to hang around. And by all means, if you like what you hear, please like and subscribe and ring the bell because I generally make 1 or 2 videos a week and come out with some really valuable stuff that I'm learning. So guys, just a little bit about me. I've been on affiliate marketing online for quite some time now, well over 10 years solid, but off and on for periods of time. And I was like most people. I was fumbling around in the dark for the most part, making a little bit of money here and there, but spending more than what I would make. Um, Trying all sorts of new things that would come through to my email box, every new offer, buying in all sorts of programs related to make money online and generate income. And I did that for quite some years, and really sort of some ones that sometimes I broke even, sometimes I lost, sometimes I'd spent more than what I'd ever made, and never really got things working to a degree, and it just built up frustration and pent up frustration. I joined some MLM programs, again had some success with them, but then there's some pitfalls with those programs as well. Again, if you're in an MLM, nothing against you. You might have a great program and a great business organization, but one thing you do need to learn is sales and marketing, because a lot of the MLM now is done online. Gone are the days where you can invite people around your house and build your MLM that way. It's all online now, and you've got to know what traffic sources to use. What's the best? What's yielding the best results? What systems are using? What's an opt-in page? And these are all the things until I found my online mentor, who's on screen right now. And Zach Crawford, until I stumbled, I guess I stumbled upon Zach in my efforts online, doing searching and researching and all that. And I already get quite a few emails from a lot of other 6 to 7 figure affiliate marketers. So I built up, was going to move on and get an online mentor there with someone else. And then the last minute, Zach come up out of the blue, and I really resonated with Zach because the difference was with his online mentoring, and it's proven to be, was just no BS approach. You actually talk with Zach, you actually connect with Zach. A lot of these other affiliate gurus put you in touch with a lot of their other people that get you to talk on the phone or email them or message them, and you never get to really talk with them and learn off them. And the good thing about Zach is that even though he's growing and one day he talks about getting other people to help him on the phone, he will always be available to actually message and private message through Facebook and so forth. And that's what I really like about it. But that might be ways down the track. But Zach is the real deal. If you need an online mentor that you want to create a $10,000 plus a month income online, with affiliate selling other people's proven products or affiliate marketing, as we call it, if you're new to this, then you need an online mentor, because you'll be fumbling around the dark for me like for years, trying to find and follow the answer and find a solution and find the correct way to do it and find success. And it's painful. It's painful, and you'll burn through much more money than if you had just invested into a proper online mentor. Now, if you're watching this now and you're thinking, well, I'm not sure who to go with, Ben, then I highly suggest that you click the link below, and there's some free training on the link below. You'll go to a page like this. I've teamed up with Zach, and you'll opt in here, okay? And just enter your best email there. Make sure it's an accurate email. And then what's going to happen is Zach's got some training on the back end, and he's going to show you how he started all this and what he went through, and then some of the proven systems he's using now, the traffic sources and so forth, how you can set yourself up for success online. Within a short time, it's no quick fix, but within 6 to 12 months, you can set yourself up for that kind of income, $10,000 to $20,000 a month. Now, if you follow exactly what the training is and follow it through, and you end up joining in and on the program, awesome. We'd love to have you aboard. then there's no doubt that your success is guaranteed, as long as you just follow what Zach's done, what Zach's got in the training for you, and the rest of the training series that's inside the actual program, that he's coaching program. 90% of the work is done for you. Zach provides you with a whole heap of tools and resources. I mean, you get endless supply. Ongoing support is just phenomenal. And the value that he keeps on adding in is just outside. I've been around and bought a lot of guru products. I haven't seen this much value in any course online as of today, 2020, December the 9th of making of this video. And that's just my honest opinion, guys. Zach is a real deal. If you're looking for someone with no BS that you can actually talk to, that you can actually go to the link, and actually this link will be in there as well. If you want to skip the free training, you're welcome to sign up. But you can go here now and you can apply to work with him. But what this does is this apply just works out that you can actually just fill in a short survey there. And what this does is that you can book a call with Zach, and he can have a bit of a chat to you about where you're at in your online ventures right now. Talk to you about a strategy plan, and whether or not that's going to be something that you want to move forward with is another thing. But you'll get no hard sales. It's not a hard sales push at all. To join in, if you decide not to join in, that's understandable as well. Zach has never pressured anything on me in this entire way, and others can vouch for that inside the program. But you'll be given access to so much inside. There's so much inside. He's got some awesome bonuses. You'll get your sales funnel built for you. This is something that Zach constantly tweaks, and when he tweaks and updates us, he lets us know inside his private Facebook group, and you'll get access to a limited numbered Facebook group where daily he gives valuable tips, tells you what to do next, gives you the highest tips. This is working now. Go here, do this, adjust this small here on your funnel. And this will all be set up for you inside. It's just insane the value this guy gives. Done for you, proven sales funnels. So guys, if you're interested in earning that $10,000 a month and scaling your business, or you've been around online and you're just not happy with your results so far, and you just feel like you need a coach, someone to hold your hand, and see inside the group he posts there, Ben James, for making my $1,000 commission the other week. So you're going to join a group of successful people as well and be around us. We all sort of support one another and help one another out. So guys, if you're looking for an online mentor, I would just highly, if you want to see, this is someone in the group, there's Sebastian, great fella. He's making $12,000 a month, he's making just really good money every day, income coming in, commissions coming in. And this is an old screenshot too, and I know he's making a bit more than this, but you can come in here and see all the testimonies of who Zach's coached, and you can form your own opinion. So that'll be in the link below, plus the free training if you want to just go through some of the free training that Zach's got on there, bit of a boot camp free training. But if you want to skip that and come here and just apply, have a listen to what Zach's got to say there about the program, and then you can apply to talk to Zach on the phone. Yes, really talk to him. A successful 7-figure affiliate marketer. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. I can't add the value enough. You're going to take your business to the next level. There's no doubt about it. And like any great elite athlete or elite person in the world successful, they've all had mentors, they've all had coaches, they've all had people that they've learnt off. And all they've done is replicated and modeled off those people and built their own successful. So guys, I've been impressed. I'm now making a lot more money now since I've joined the program. It's helped me, and I'm on track to reach my goals into the next in the next year, so in 2020. I'm making this video next year, 2021. My end goal is that $10,000 to $20,000 a month online. So I can see that in sights now. As before I had a mentor, that seemed so distant, that seemed so impossible to achieve, but not now. My confidence is high, and all I have to do is thank Zach for his mentoring and his help and his ongoing support. So if you're looking for that, I highly suggest go and check him out right now before he limits the numbers anymore, because I'd hate for you to miss out. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you gained some value. Like and subscribe. Comment below too if you've got any questions about this, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again.